Luigi. Oh, hi, Yoshi. We're just watching some college game day. Isn't today Sunday? Oh, we're just watching what they're gonna do for the national title game. Oh, that is gonna be next video. Yoshi, please don't break the fourth wall and don't spoil it out what the creator's gonna do next. Sorry, I just want to announce it. Yoshi, we're gonna make it a secret. Now you did not make a secret anymore. Now you made a surprise. But I love it, announcing all the secrets. Well, the point of a secret is not telling them until they see it. Oh. So, I want to tell him! Yoshi, stop that, or else you're going into timeout. I don't want to go into timeout. Ooh. There's a commercial on. Oh, there's a commercial break.
Ooh, hey there, I'm famous Fidget, founder of the famous fidget spinner. What's a fidget spinner, you might ask? Well, just these little doohickeys right here in my hand. They spin all day and all night, and they don't stop till you drop. Now, why would you want a fidget spinner, you might ask? Well, you got a kid that won't shut up, just making ruckus all the time? You hand him a fidget spinner, that'll shut him right up. Now I know what you're thinking, famous Freddy. These fidget spinners probably cost $1 million, but no, these famous Freddy's fidget spinners only go for $14.44. Now I'm blind in both eyes, but I can still see a deal.
Can I have these fidget spinners? Sure, Yoshi. You've been very annoying and you won't shut up, so sure, I'll give you one. Hold on. Maybe Walt got that for Christmas. Well, is it okay for Yoshi to give you his fidget spinner? I don't use it that much, so sure, why not? Okay, I'll give you it. Okay, alright. Okay, got it. Here you go, Yoshi. Here's your fidget spinner. Is that a fidget spinner? Yep, and that's the only one I can find because that's Walt used originally, but I don't want to buy $15, so here you go. Thank you, Luigi. And how am I supposed to open it? Just take off the cover. Alright. Okay. Now Yoshi got his fidget spinner. Now we're just gonna keep watching plans for the national championship. Yep. Ah! Ah! Yoshi, stop screaming. We're trying to watch it. Sorry. Ah! Yoshi, if you do scream again, you're gonna go into timeout. Just play with your fidget spinner. I can't. It always stops. Well, try. There it goes. Maybe we should send Yoshi to another room. That would help it keep it quieter. Alright, Yoshi, would you mind going to another room? No, I'd rather watch this. Well, you always yell, you always scream about it, so just go into another room and play your fidget spinner. Aww. Yoshi, you forgot your fidget spinner. Oh, alright. Thanks. Okay, just go into another room and just play with your fidget spinner. Maybe I should go into a big Luigi's room. Maybe about that. There we go. Maybe someone's bed and play his fidget spinner. All of that. It's nice to not have Yoshi in this room. Yep. I'm sure this year's national championship's gonna be boring. Of course. Alabama and Clemson. Yep, we have to wait until tomorrow. Aw, stopped. Oh, wait! There's a fan up there. I can actually watch it until the power goes out. I can do this too.